let's put the spotlight on Chartbusters then. We have Kunal as well as Naresh standing by patiently to talk about their Chartbusters to us. And Kunal, surprisingly, I see a pharma name.
Well, yes, Aurobindo Pharma is something which has come back into the risk reward or higher risk reward zone on the short term charts. Now, what we're seeing on the stock is in the very recent term, the stock fell into a correction from 1500 to a 1200 mark. Now, in the process of the stock correcting 300 points, the indicators like RSI also fell into a correction. But then now, when the stock is trying to just about consolidate at this 1200 zone, we've seen that the stock has made a lower bottom, but the RSI has made a significantly higher low for itself. Not just that, but the RSI has given the first indication of a breakout of the previous swing resistances. This is the first sign that when stocks form a bottom for themselves, they go into a sharp correction, consolidate, and then the indicators start to reversal. This could be the a play for Aurobindo Pharma over the near term. Once this RSI divergence corrects itself, we expect the stock to come back into a recovery and break past about the first swing high, which is around the 1300 mark. So, which means a potential upside of another 40 to 50 points over the very near term for Aurobindo Pharma.
All right, so that's Aurobindo Pharma for you. Naresh, what's your stock in the Chartbuster?
So it is Dr. Reddy. And the stock has been holding on to the support where it made a bottom, classical bounce back area, and the downward trend line today has given a breakout, showing relative strength. And also over the last the whole month of June to December, when every other pharma stock did really well, Dr. Reddy's had not did a move all the way up there to the previous highs. And it's been an underperformer. First time we've started seeing relative strength to the index. So out here, I would expect to move back to 1400 plus levels, buy at current levels as well as on dips with the stop loss at 1220.
Dr. Reddy's is that Chartbuster idea from Naresh. Kunal, what about other stock-specific calls?
So, two buy calls. The first one is about Dr. Reddy with a target of 1350, stop loss at 1270. And the second would be about MCX. The stock surprisingly is still into a range on the much higher price end of the trend for itself. So, would look out for targets in the range of 68.20, stop us at 65.60.
Okay, so those are the top recommendations. Naresh, what are the individual ideas you have for our viewers?
So continue to like Muthoot Finance, a dip today is a buying opportunity. The stock has been showing good relative strength as well as hitting new all-time highs. Stop loss at 2000, target price of 22.50. Second is the sell on Asian Paints, which has broken down. Stop loss at 23.20, target price of 21.50.
Okay, so those are the stocks coming in.